A very happy morning to my cute little children. So children, today we are going to complete our chapter, that is addition. Okay? आज हमारा ये chapter पूरा हो जाएगा. And today we are going to study our last two topics, that is properties of addition and addition another approach. Okay? आज हम एक अनदर अप्रोच पढ़ेंगे एडिशन की जो बहुत इजी है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Now children, we will study properties of addition. Okay, so let's start. Which is the first property of addition? When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. ठीक है, जब भी हम 0 किसी नंबर में ऐड करेंगे तो हमें क्या आंसर मिलेगा? The number itself. यानी 2 plus 0 2, 25 plus 0 25, 70 plus 0 70, 99 plus 0 99. Okay, clear? The second property is one is added to a number, the sum is the successor of the given number. हमारे इस चैप्टर का फर्स्ट टॉपिक क्या था? What was the first topic of our this chapter? It was successor and predecessor. What do we mean by successor, children? Come on, tell me. You have solved one exercise on successor and predecessor. Yes, successor is the number just after a given number. So when 1 is added to a number, what we get? We get successor. Let's see the examples. 8 plus 1, 9. 26 plus 1, 27. 169 plus 1, 170. See, what is the successor of 8? 9. Successor of 26? 27. Very simple, now. Whenever we will add 1, we will get the successor of the given number. And successor is the number just after the given number. Let's see the third property. A change in the order of the addends does not change the sum. We will understand this by an example. See, 27 plus 135. What we get? We get 165. Or if we add 135 plus 27, we will get 162. It means that the sum does not changes if we reverse the adding numbers. Okay, या हम 27 plus 135 करें तो भी हमें 162 मिल रहा है. हम 135 plus 27 करेंगे तो भी हमें 162 ही मिलेगा. Okay, clear? Now on the basis of properties of addition, we will solve a exercise. And children, this property is true even while adding 3 numbers. ठीक है, अगर हम 3 numbers भी ऐड करेंगे तो आप उसको कैसे भी ऐड कर सकते हो, आपको आंसर हमेशा सेम ही मिलेगा. So children, this is your homework. Homework exercise 7. See, 31 plus 0. What will be your answer? Remember the first property? Yes, whenever we add 0, we get the number itself. So my answer here will be 3, 1, 9. Then 62, 629 plus 1. Whenever we add 1 to a number, what we get? We get successor of the given number. So here we will get 630. Okay. Then very simple, 436 plus 307 is equal to 307 plus last property we had studied. Okay. If we add 436 plus 307 is same as adding 307 plus 436. Okay. This is 4, it is not 9, okay? Don't get confused. (436), okay? And these questions are same. See, ये सारे question ऐसे ही है. So you can do this very well by yourself. So this is your homework. Now children, we will study our second topic of the day, that is addition and another approach. We will study addition by another method which is very simple. Okay, so let's start. Okay, addition and another approach. 39 plus 45. Instead of adding 39 plus 45, what we will do is we will break 39 plus 45. 39 is 30 plus 9, right? Plus 9, 39 we can write 30 plus 9 है ना. हम 39 को 30 plus 9 लिख सकते हैं. Then comes 45. We can write 45 as 40 plus 5. So your first step here will be break the numbers, okay, in tens and the given number. It will be very easier for you to add. Then what we will do is we will rearrange the numbers. See, 40 plus 10, we are arranging here like this. 30 plus 40, then 9 and 5. We are arranging here it like this, 9 plus 5. Okay, now see, अब बहुत easy है ना calculate करना. What is 30 plus 40? 70. What is 9 plus 5? 14. ये तो आप बिना calculation के कर सकते हो. Very fast. You just have to arrange the numbers. Only this much trick you have to apply, and your calculation will become very fast. So 30 plus 40, 9 plus 5. 30 plus 40 is 70. 9 plus 5 is 14. After it also you can break 14. 70, write 70 as it is. We can break 14 into 10 plus 4. Now very simple to do. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 4, 84. And we got the answer. Easy now? Yes. Now we will solve our second sum. (27 plus 42). Come on children, fast, tell me how you will break 27. First step is to break the number. So we can write 27 as 20 plus, yes, we can write it as 20 plus 7 plus 42. How can I break 42? 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2, very good. Now second step, very fast, come on tell me. What we will do? We will arrange the numbers. So 20 plus 40 we will write here. 20 plus 40 plus 7 plus 2. Now very simply we can do this. What is 40 plus 20? 60. 60 plus, what is 7 plus 2? 9. No need to use your fingers. Do this mentally. It is very simple. 7 plus 2. We have done these type of calculation when we were in smaller classes. Then what is 60 plus 9? 69. So here we get our answer. Very simple. All these are tricks. Okay. No need to do calculation. Just rearrange the number. Okay, then you will be very fast in maths. Like शकुंतला देवी. आपने वो पिक्चर देखी शकुंतला देवी की, जिसने कंप्यूटर को भी हरा दिया था मैथ्स के सम सॉल्व करने के लिए? आपको वैसा बनना है ना? So apply this tips and tricks. Now time for homework. So children, this is your homework. Add by counting tens. 87 plus 21, this is your homework, okay? And this you have to do by applying the trick which I have given you, okay? So for today, this was it. Study well, practice a lot, okay? Have fun with maths. May God bless you, kids.